Hello, my name is Joaquin Montaño,
Hello, my name is David Rodriguez.
and we are going to do problems number 13 and 80 that were assigned to us by Mr. Bazan for our first partial project.
So we're going to start by doing problem 13 that needs to be solved algebraically.
And the
So
problem
the
is
limit of x approaches infinity. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 over x cubed minus 5x. So the first step that needs to be solved is you take the highest degree, that in this case is the x cubed, and you place it over everything. So it will be like this. Limit of x approaches infinity.
2x squared
2x squared over
x
x cubed minus 3x
over
x cubed
plus 1 over x cubed
plus 1 x cubed
plus
plus
over
x cubed over x cubed
minus 5x
5
cubed.
x cubed. So
The next thing we have to do is cancel the x. So cancel this, cancel this, cancel this, and cancel this, and it will leave this.
limit of
x approaching infinity of 2 over x
minus limit of
minus
x approaches infinity
minus
3 over x squared plus
plus
limit of x
1
1
over x
cubed, and you leave it like this over limit of x approaches infinity,
of 1
and all this cancels, so it's 1 minus limit of x approaches infinity 5 over x squared.
Okay, and the next step is this is 0
Because every x at the denominator that will be placed as infinity cancels and it becomes a 0.
yes
So in this case, almost everything cancels except the
this
one.
so it leaves this
0 minus 0
plus
plus
0
0
over
1
1
minus 0
which is equals to 0 over 1 which is equal to 0.
and this will be your final answer.
The next step is to do problem number 80, which will be solved by our teammate Alejandro Benavides.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Benavides, and I'm partnered with Joaquin Montaño and David Rodriguez for the math partial project. We were assigned problem 13 and 80. Here I'm going to do problem 80, which is find the slope of the tangent line in this equation, that is f of x equals 1 over 2 minus x at x equals 0. The first step we need to do is pass the thing we have on the f of x equals 2 minus x negative 1 over here. Then as we will use the chain rule, we have to have n times u minus 1 times u prime. So the equation will give us f of x derivative equals negative 1 times 2 minus x negative 2 times 0 minus 1. After we get this, we have to multiply the 0 minus 1 with the negative 1. So the result will give us positive 1 times 2 minus x negative 2. After we get this, we will have to put it as a fraction. F of x equals 1 over 2 minus x squared. Then we have the derivative. So the only thing that is missing is to plug the 0 here on the equation. So it will be f of x equals 1 times, over 2 minus 0 squared. F of x equals 1 over 4. And this is our final answer.